can't fly a drone today. I can't fly a drone today, and there's mud all over that GoPro camera. Whoa, Jesus. Okay, we're good. Right, found it. Jeez, that came through that little hole. The drone came through that little hole. That is nuts. Straight down here. Yeah, cannot believe it fell through there. Nearly went down here. Right, got it though. Another prop change time. Terrible at flying today. Like, this is the worst I've been flying in ages. I don't know what's wrong with me. I think I'm too hot. Not feeling it. Just not feeling it today. Nothing's flowing. So I've been trying to turtle myself out of this predicament, but I failed. So, let's see if I can get to the drone. Just weren't flying normal. Oh, I've got to climb that. Oh, for God's sake. Oh, Jesus Christ. Up we go. This looks a bit horrendous. Just with a bloody phone in my hand. Oh my God. I have made it. Oh, that's that duck I saw earlier before I crashed. That's that duck. Right, this floor doesn't feel very good. There's the drone. Why won't that take off? Oh dear. Oh, cable. It's had a cable on it. Oh, look how dusty it is. I nearly got out of there. Yeah, I just keep making a mess today. But anyway, I've got up here finally. Let me just unplug the drone. It's not good. Pause the GoPro. Yeah, so I might stop coming up through here because I'm just not feeling it today. Don't know why, I'm just not feeling it. So yeah, when I do you believe in life after love? R.I.P. Count Quackula. So anyway. Oh, I hear noises. I've left all my gear right there. And I hear noises. So when I crashed earlier and I saw the duck there, I tried turtling, I think, or just recovering, and I ended up falling down that. So now I've just had to climb that, which is horrible. So yeah, just look at the state of the drone. Covered. That was clean before I set off. Oh dear.